I have 10 plus things that I always buy at the Dollar Tree. Move over Costco, move over Aldi, plus I have some amazing Amazon alternatives for you in case you want to shop from the comfort of your own home and do not want to have to buy things online at the Dollar Tree in bulk. I mean, I don't need like 25 of these things. We'll talk about this later. This is super cool for so many different reasons. And say hello to the Dollar Tree. There are two things that really surprise me, and I think they will surprise you as well. By the way, my husband and I do go live on Amazon every Friday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if we'd like to meet each other face to face, that's a great time to do it. I will also be sharing some amazing gift ideas, so make sure that you check the description box below for all of those details. Stock up on all your cards from the Dollar Tree. In fact, many times you can get a 2-for-1 special when it comes to cards. Did you know at Target, for one card, it can run upwards of $4, $5, $6, or $7? That is absolutely crazy. And then I often keep a bunch of these packs on hand so that if you want a blank note, you have one handy. And the Dollar Tree ones are super cute. Any type of wrapping supply I always get from the Dollar Tree. They have beautiful bows and bags and wrapping paper and tissue paper. Tissue paper is such a great deal at the Dollar Tree. I recently bought some tissue paper at Michael's and it was like $5 for a few sheets. No way, Jose. And then to keep all of your amazing wrapping goods in place, I did buy this from Amazon. This is amazing. It holds so many rolls of wrapping paper, plus your bows, plus your cards, plus your tape, plus your scissors. And then if you just flip it around right here, it can hold all of your bags. Such a great way to keep this organized. I do keep this upstairs in my cleaning closet here so it has easy access. If you want another great way to organize all of your Dollar Tree wrapping goodies, I highly recommend this. By the way, many of the things I talk about are on sale right now. Look at this. Open this up. You can put your Dollar Tree scissors in here, which we'll talk about in just a second. You can put your tape in there, and look at all the rolls of wrapping paper that this beautiful gem holds. This has also helped us from buying excess wrapping paper, because if I cannot fit any more in here, then I cannot buy any more. Any type of notepads, paper, or journals, I would highly recommend getting from the Dollar Tree. They have an excellent selection, and they are always changing it out season by season. I found these really adorable teacher gifts. I'm so excited about them on Amazon. They're also 36% off. Who doesn't love a pad of paper and pen? I'm definitely getting these for my kids and their teachers. And the price point on these are so amazing. This is one of my journals. I did find an amazing one on Amazon, the 5-minute journal, which is so popular. I write my gratitudes in this one, but I'm so excited to try out the 5-minute journal because I've heard so many amazing things about it. Scissors. I always buy my scissors from the Dollar Tree. They are excellent quality. They last a long time. I keep these in my kitchen, in my laundry room, in my bedroom, in my bathroom. I got this in the kitchen section at the Dollar Tree. It's the Betty Crocker brand. These have held up so nice. And I'm a lefty, so sometimes cutting can get a little bit tricky, but the Dollar Tree, perfect. Word finds, Sudoku. This is mine right here. My kids and I love working on these. Oftentimes my husband and I too will have competitions to see who can find the most words the fastest. I found some amazing ones on Amazon for kids specifically, depending upon their ages. But this is great for at home. This is great for at night to help you unwind. This is great for road trips. I always buy mine from the Dollar Tree, but specifically the ones for kids I love from Amazon. Great stocking stuffer idea too. Candles. Dollar Tree has some of the most amazing candles, especially the tall glass ones. You can get in white, you can get in teal, you can get in red, depending upon the season at that time in the Dollar Tree. But you can also get some beautiful scented ones from the Dollar Tree. Now, I love this Capri Blue Line Volcano. You can often get this from Anthropologie, but it is much cheaper on Amazon. I have this around my house. I give this for gifts all the time because it smells so good. This is the Paris scent, and then this one right here, oh, this is also the Paris, but Volcano is another one of my favorites. You can see here, this is one of the jars that comes from the Capri Blue Line. How nice quality this is. We just have some toothpickers that we keep in our bathroom. If you want to see some amazing, ingenious hacks when it comes to all things candles, I'm going to link that in the description box below, especially when it comes to removing stickers and the wax from the jar. And if you need a great way to put your candles out, this 3-in-1 snuffer and wick trimmer set set is absolutely gorgeous as a gift or for yourself. This 3-piece furniture scratch markers from the Dollar Tree is gonna save you so much time. It comes with a mahogany, a walnut, and a black. Let me show you how to use them. Look at here on my kitchen cabinet. Don't worry, I'll get to cleaning this later today, but first filming this video here for you. All right, I took this dark brown one, and you can see that. My kids, 4 kids, scratching all the things. I'm doing this one-handed. Now, this isn't going to fix the problem, but it's gonna cover it up rather than looking stark white. Just one coat. When that dries, come back and do a second coat. Now, I found another one right here that is a bit smaller, and these are pretty deep cuts, so depending upon what you have in your home, this is just gonna help make it less noticeable, those little scratches that you have. This one I'm gonna need to do a couple times as well, let it dry and come back. Toolbox, although you don't necessarily have to use it as a toolbox. In fact, I have not used mine as a toolbox. I love putting my kids' magnetic tiles in here. Such a great way to get them off their screens and building stuff. And then I just love this little case that I got from the Dollar Tree to put it in so they can walk around, they can do whatever they need to. You could put brushes in here, you could put paint supplies in here. I also found an alternative on Amazon when it comes to toolboxes. It's currently 11% off, and the magnetic tiles are currently over 63% off. I think I paid over $100 for my magnetic tile set from Target. Hello, Amazon. Any sort of hair supply I always buy from the Dollar Tree, whether it's bows, hair ties, combs. They have an absolute amazing selection. But speaking of tools, I got this in the hardware section. This is typically for nails and any other home repair things, but it works great for these hair supplies. So again, this one is at the Dollar Tree. But if you're looking for something a bit bigger, I got this from Amazon. This keeps all of my girls' bows inside there. There are multiple tiers. It has a lock on it. Not that I need to lock it. I also have another one that I'm going to link in the description box below. It's a 3-tier stackable one that is clear and acrylic and super beautiful. When it comes to the hair supplies, Dollar Tree is where it's at. Fabric softener. Now, if you do not love fabric softener on your clothes, I have some really genius ways to use it around your house that will surprise you. But I love this Suavitel. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. It's the Fields of Flowers brand. In fact, I love it even more than Downy. I thought I would never say that. I loved it so much, I had to go on Amazon and buy a bigger bottle. It's just, take a whiff. Yep, right there. You're gonna get excited about doing your laundry again. Downy, I love you, but you're getting the boot. Any sort of dishware or glassware. This is one of my favorite coffee mugs from the Dollar Tree. I love making little cappuccino, putting some whipped cream in there, and then also these are all from the Dollar Tree. Do not spend your money elsewhere. Get your glass in your pantry and your home will look cuter than ever. I also have one in my bathroom, but I put Q-tips in it. This next one got me real excited. I've had this for years, and actually this one as well. This is a cheese grater. Have you ever grated your Irish Spring soap? I will link that video in the description box below. Lots of great ideas for you. But this one right here I've had for years. It's the Betty Crocker brand from the Dollar Tree. It's great for spreading. You can take these off so that you can wash them. I also found an Amazon Choice spatula similar to this one, and an amazing 3-pack cutting board set because I love the Dollar Tree cutting boards as well for quick chop. This is a Dollar Tree favorite, but pillowcases. You can get all types of different patterns from satin to cotton. If you have guests coming, if you are traveling, in fact, you could use the pillowcases for your Halloween candy or just to store stuff or stuffed animals. Basically anything. Amazing pillowcases for $1.25. Also, if you're looking for the #1 bestseller when it comes to sheets, I'm going to link that in the description box below on Amazon. It comes in multiple colors. I love it in white, and also it has over 211,000 reviews. These hotel luxury bed sheets. But if you just need a quick pillowcase, Dollar Tree, yes. And those sheets come in multiple colors. Speaking of multiple colors, I love getting my spray bottles from the Dollar Tree, particularly this gold one and this rose gold one. Also, if you love using essential oils, you want to make sure that they are in dark bottles. So I found an alternative for you on Amazon. They're currently 8% off. It includes labels and markers for those amber bottles. But if you're out and about at your Dollar Tree, go ahead and pick these up. I usually find them in the bottom by the floor. But a great gift idea would be those amber bottles with the marker and the best-selling essential oils found on Amazon. Normally, I would not recommend the Dollar Tree baskets because they break and then they have sharp edges. But however, if you just need them for something quick to put things in that don't need a lot of durability, get yourself a Dollar Tree basket. These are great in your garage. They're great for stuffed animals. They're great for travel. You can just load a bunch of stuff in there. Let me show you another really cool way to use those cheap Dollar Tree baskets that you probably haven't seen before. By the way, we have a ton of snow here in Wisconsin. Thumbs up if you get your groceries from Target or pickup or wherever and they start rolling around in your back seat in the bags. Problem solved. Get your $1.25 baskets and you can put all of your groceries in there. If you're like me and only buy things the majority of the time on Amazon or the Dollar Tree, you're gonna want one of these utility knife sets. This came with a pack of 3. I use this literally every single day. It has come in handy. That way you can save your scissors, you know, the Dollar Tree ones. I'm also going to include amazing 3-pack of scissors that I found on Amazon that is a bestseller. Now, when I found this at the Dollar Tree, I got really excited. And typically I do not shop in the pet supply section because I do not have any pets. 4 children is enough for me. But let me show you how you can use this 3-light mode. It has a beautiful clip on it. And then I went to Amazon and I found something really, really neat. It's an LED dog color light. Amazing! That way you can see your dog outside when he or she is doing their business or you're going for a walk to keep you and your pet safe. But look at this. This is 3 modes. 1, 2, and 3. So this is great for running. I was thinking I could have used this for my kids on Halloween because it got dark out and I could not differentiate which kid was mine. So next year I'm getting all these for my children when we go out trick-or-treating. Oh, and by the way, the LED collar light is currently 25% off on Amazon. Sleeping bags. You know sleeping bags come with these elastic bungees that are almost near impossible to get your sleeping bag nicely rolled back in without breaking a sweat? Well, problem solved, my friend, with your $1.25 Dollar Tree steering wheel cover. In fact, I have more amazing ideas on how to use these Dollar Tree steering wheel covers that have nothing to do with your steering wheel. I will link that video in the description box below as well. And that steering wheel cover video has over 300,000 views on it because the ideas are that good. Moving on to candles, here our last item that are must-haves from the Dollar Tree are these candle lighters. But I have something here that's going to surprise you, and it surprised me. For $1.25 and for as many candles as I light, I love these. I love the long stem on it, but here's something that I recently purchased on Amazon. I did not think that I would love this as much as I do. It's an electronic lighter for your candles or anything that really you need to light. The price point on this was amazing. I think I got this for $8.99 and it came in multiple colors. So here's how you use it. I love this. I never thought I would trade out my Dollar Tree lighters for this, but I'm willing to try anything. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. It's already fully charged. And then we just push this button right here to light it. My husband was like, how in the heck is that actually gonna work? Let me show you. Light that baby. Yes. Yes, look at that. This is amazing and so clever. Such a great gift idea. Also to go with the candle set that I showed you previously. Amazing. Now, when I do the math, this basically paid for itself because I would have to buy 8 of these, which I have done, to cover the approximate cost of this Amazon lighter. So good. And as a bonus, my team has created this amazing stress-free holiday planner, not only for Christmas, but also for Thanksgiving. It has everything that you need to have a stress-free holiday. This is linked in the description box below for you. If you want to see 40+ Amazon gift ideas, click this video on screen now, or if you want to see some more Dollar Tree must-haves, click this video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.